Um, Welcome back to our result management series tutorials. And so I've rearranged everything and removed the name of student and replaced it with first name, last name. And yeah, we are good to go. So we can do head and just view 3, so we don't want any space. So we are going to convert it to CSV. That's the student profile, and we are also going to do just the student as well. So we'll do profile will just be df.to_CSV, and we are just going to name it student maybe underscore profile. So that will be the name of our then file.csv. Then I'm also going to put index is equal to false. So this 0, 1, 2, I don't want it there. And yeah, so I think I'll just do this, and yeah, Ctrl Z and enter. So you can see our CSV file is there with no index and stuff. Now I'm also going to say Alt Escape B. I'll just say student. So okay, so I'm going to say df_student would be df, and I just want admission first name, last name. That's just what I want. And I can say .to_CSV, and I'll just say student is the name of my file .csv. And so I don't want it anywhere. If I want to save it somewhere, let's say I can create a sheet, and I'll just say student info_info. And so what I'm going to do now is do // and student info/this, and again don't forget to remove index equal false, and I'm done. So now you don't see anything. If I just go here, you see the student.csv file. So we've already had that. Now that we've done that, okay, so yeah, so we'll then go back to my MySQL and go to we are going to use our SMS_s and that database, and we want to see the table student, right? And so because again I've forgotten what I used to. Okay, so from okay, so I've forgotten the columns. Oh, so well, we have a problem. Okay, so that's not a problem. So I can now change this. We're going to alter to first name, last name. So I can say alter table student, and we'll say add column first name, first_name. We want varchar. That's the data type. I'll just put 40. I'm going to repeat the same thing for comma for last name as well, and it is a semicolon. Yeah, and last name. Yeah, so if I'm done, I'm going to run it. It's successful. Go back to my SQL, run, and you can see. So I actually don't need the student name again, the student again. So what I'm just going to do is, I think, alter table student. If I remember correctly, I think it's delete column. Is it delete or yeah? Okay, so it's not delete. I think it's drop column. Yeah, so it is drop column. So it was successful. I'm gonna run it again. Oh, okay, so it was successful. The same thing with student underscore profile. I'm gonna check again. I've forgotten the columns under them, and also I still have to alter and add. So I think I can also drop. If I think, I don't know, I'll just do drop column, and what I want to drop is student. This is interesting. The student column. If I run it, oh, so it's saying that cannot drop column needed. Oh, it's a foreign key. Oh, so I think I made a mistake. Oh, yeah. Okay, yes, true. That's very true. So this student is actually a foreign key, I remember, which is the admission. So I think we are good. So what it will mean is, if I go back to my my Python, my student profile is only supposed to carry admission and this, so there's nothing wrong there. I'll just delete this guy, and I'm gonna remove this first name, last name. Yeah, it's not supposed to be there under the profile. Oh, no, so control Z. No, so the profile will just be df. So the same thing I did here, I'm just gonna do here, and only this time I'm just gonna use admission. I would omit first name, last name. Yeah. So let's use this comma. So I'm gonna put it in the student info folder and run. Let's see if it creates. Oh yeah, so it does create. And yeah, so I can do my import now. So I'll just go to my student, my SQL workbench, go to student, right click, go to import wizard. So it's asking me, where do I want to import my files from? Okay, so I'll just go to unsolved. I'll go to student info. If I remember correctly, I think I'm importing. Oh, so that's student profile. So yeah, I go to my student profile, click next, use existing true. So I'm now going to map. So roll number, nope, just student, admission to student, class to class, age to age, row number to row number, gender to gender, I think. Oh, sorry, I think next. So successfully imported. And now if I go to my student profile and just run it, you can see that, okay, Did I do the wrong thing? Oh, this is interesting. Let me refresh. Do this. Run this. Oh, I think I might have done something wrong. I'm gonna check in the next video. We would correct. I don't know, maybe I did something wrong. I don't know. But we'll check in the next video.